Hi everyone. As you know, a little while ago we added transaction properties to the transactions, and they are very useful if you want to store metadata about transactions together with your transactions and use it somewhere else in an app script, for example. So you can think of when you buy stocks, you want to record the quantity, so you would have a key of quantity and the number you bought. Okay, so that's where it's used for. Now the thing is, you cannot be recording this by hand all the time. You cannot be writing each time quantity, etc. Okay, so we have added a new feature to our add-on for Google Sheets. And normally when you would record a transaction, it would work like this. So you record your transaction, and you have the other columns as a description on your transaction. And we got some questions if there would be a way that you could record these as properties. So what we've done is, now when you freeze the header column, the header row, the interpretation of these headers becomes a different one. So the traditional ones are like system properties, which is the date, the amount, origin, destination, and description. But the other ones here, like invoice, hours, and rate, they are the ones that are becoming now the key and the values for your property. So the header is the key, and the value is the column value here. Okay, so let's take a look how this works. There you go. So now the transaction completes equally. The description stays in the description, but now you have here the values of the properties. So you have the key and the value. And if you want to edit it, you can now quickly switch and have the properties here with their keys and their values. Okay, so this is a new way for you to work faster and get metadata together with your transactions right from your Google Sheets. Okay, so if you have another system that throws in the data into your Google Sheets and you have these values, you can use them now as properties. So later on you can use them in a Google script with Google App Script with the get property of your transaction. Okay. Love to hear what you think of this. Love to learn how you use this day by day, and what else you would like to have here in the freezing row feature. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention, and enjoy bookkeeping.